All right, so it's taco night, but you come home late from work. You really don't feel like mixing up a whole bunch of dishes. Oh, and you don't even have any tortillas in the house. So what are you going to do? Well, how about we just eat it straight from the skillet? This is cheesy black bean and beef taco skillet. And yeah, just grab a spoon, eat it straight from the skillet. Look at this. You got cheese all melted into a bunch of ground meat and black beans, lots of chili powder in there, some onions and things. That's it. Taco night. Sorted. Let's go into the kitchen and make some of this right now. Oh yeah. Hot. All right, so to make this is really easy and it's quick and easy. Few ingredients, slap this together, ready for dinner. It's a fantastic dish. So what we have here is 3/4 of a pound or 12 ounces or 340 grams of ground meat. Now obviously, usually you're going to use beef because it's called black bean and beef taco skillet, but I tend to use my favorite mixture, which is beef and pork. I just think it has more flavor. It's up to you what kind of ground meat you want to use. Over here we have 8 ounces or 230 grams of cheddar cheese, grated, 1 onion, chopped, 1 15-ounce can of black beans, rinsed and drained, 1/4 cup of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of olive oil for cooking the onion in, and 1/2 teaspoon each of salt and pepper. So let's get the olive oil into, and notice I'm using my cast iron skillet because this is going to go in the oven. So it's got a handle that doesn't burn. And also, it just looks great coming out of a cast iron skillet. And I do love my cast iron skillet. So, we got our 2 tablespoons of olive oil in there, and we're going to turn the heat on to medium-high. All right, there we go. That's ready to go. And then, I'm just going to get that oil a little spread around the pan. Going to put that onion in there. I'm going to cook that onion, stirring it occasionally, for about 5 minutes. I don't really want to brown it or anything. I just want to soften it up a little bit. So let's come back about 5 minutes and then we'll get some of the other ingredients in there. All right, see you in 5. All right, so those onions have been cooking for about 5 minutes, softened up a bit, a little browning there, but that's all right. Now what I want to do here is I want to toss in the ground meat, and we're going to toss in the chili powder, the salt and pepper. Now I'm just going to mix that in a bit. Get that mixed in. Get it mixed in with the onions. That smells good. You smell that chili powder coming off there. Oops. All right. Just kind of a little bit of chopping motion to get all mixed in with the ground meat. Okay, that's looking good. So I'm going to toss in the beans also. Now what I'm going to do, mix that in, and then, oops, and then just cook this for about 10 minutes. Just want to brown up that meat a little bit. So you cook that for about 10 minutes, and then this is going to get ready to go into the oven. So see you here in 10 minutes. All right, this has been cooking for about 10 minutes. I just occasionally come along here, a little turn and stir. Everything's all nicely mixed up. So now what I'm going to do is just spread that out again, and then turn the heat off. Now, we've got this cheddar cheese, so we're going to sprinkle this all across the top. Oh my, that's going to be good. See how easy this is to make? This is really a very simple dish. You can quickly whip up for dinner anytime. Get that in there. Get that evenly spread out. All right, that's going to go in the oven. That oven is preheated at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. And I'm going to put this into the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. I want to see all that cheese nicely melted and dripping down into the hamburger. And maybe just starting to bubble a little bit on top, maybe even a little tiny bit of browning. And that's perfect. We're ready to eat. So let's be back here in about 10 to 12 minutes. See you then. All right, so I like mine a little browned on top, so I'll have to sit in for the full 12 minutes. You can see it's nicely browned around there, bubbling. Oh, it's gonna be delicious. So there you go. Cheesy black bean and beef taco skillet. Enjoy some of that very soon. Now if you go to the link appearing on the screen and also clickable in this video's description, you can download and print out this recipe from the main dishes recipes booklet on Kuma's Kitchen's Patreon page. Just click the featured tag called recipes. Now, go print out the recipe and enjoy cheesy black bean and beef taco skillet. And make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.